Imagine your finance manager waiting on system access to approve invoices. They don't care if a firewall rule broke or a cloud outage happened. They just know payments are stuck and vendors are calling. Cyber incidents are now a top global business risk, with 38% of businesses naming them their leading concern. As Chad Cunningham, owner and partner at Ironclad Tech, notes, security only matters when it helps the business keep operating, recover cleanly, and prove who is accountable. The old firewall and antivirus setup is simply too small for modern work. Today, remote estimators check email from home, field supervisors open files through web portals, and accounting approves payments in the cloud. Every single handoff creates another place where access rules and monitoring need to line up perfectly. Growth adds access before it adds control. Every new vendor portal or remote hire lands on an IT team already busy handling routine tickets. Without clear ownership, these new connections create serious risk. Ransomware stops revenue by locking order processing and dispatch boards, while stolen credentials travel fast across your shared finance tools. Small and mid-sized businesses do not need an oversized enterprise setup. They need disciplined fundamentals. You must know what connects across your devices and cloud systems. You need to limit access by role, turn on multi-factor authentication, and test your backups so recovery never depends on guessing. A good security plan protects daily work without burying your team in tools they cannot maintain. You can read the entire article on the Ironclad TK website to learn how to build a practical security roadmap for your team. Be sure to add this podcast to your playlist so you never miss an update.